Hey guys, we're back. I think today I'm gonna try to get this engine out of here, so I can move the car around a lot easier, and then push it out, take the doors off, and then the dash. I might not get all that done today, but I think I'll just get the engine out. It'll be a big step. It looks like most of my tin is off. The wires are off. I think I can just pop the engine out now. I don't have the throttle cable. Fuel line is not connected. So yeah, I think I can pop the engine out actually. I'm gonna jack this up and try to get some jack stands under there. I'm gonna put the jack stand on right now and then readjust the jack. It's a lot safer there. I'm missing a nut back here. Actually, I don't even have a starter, so I just need this one off, and then I should be able to pull it off. I'm gonna get the jack under there with a piece of wood. Max out on the jacks. I think we can just pull forward here. The jack's a little more backwards than I'd like it, but okay, it's off. I just gotta get down. Don't do this alone. I gotta get down there and balance it, and then drop the jack at the same time. Pretty unsafe. I don't think I broke anything. Just the oil came out because other than that, it's okay. A little bang here. But I'm gonna get it on the roller. Get this on the rolling cart and move it up front. So as I was taking this apart, I realized the electrical probably will lift with the body. So I think I can just take this coupling off here, and it should go, I should be able to push it up. And then when I take the body off, it should go with it. All right, so I got that off. Looks like it should be loose from the frame. I'm just gonna go down the channel and clean up all the tar off the body bolts here that hold it onto the frame. So I'm just gonna scrape off all the tar. All right, so that's probably it for this week. Cleaned up all the bolts down there, the little tar. Probably next weekend I'll loosen all those up and then get the body bolts. These two there, and then there's two in the back. And it should be ready to just pop off. Just gotta find somewhere to put the body while I work on the frame. Anyways, and I think I'm set on doing the stock red again.